Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So what we have brought for all of you today is information regarding health insurance. Definitely again this is a very crucial and very important thing and a must for all of you hearing out there. So let's get started. So this is the overview of what we'll discuss in today's video. So we'll understand what health insurance is, what are the important aspects of this, how the premium payments for health insurance will benefit us in tax regime, how the financial supporting is lended due to this insurance, and what quick action you need to take during the end of this video based on the information we'll give you. So what health insurance basically is? Health insurance is a type of insurance that actually covers the risk of medical expenses that a person can incur when he or she gets admitted to a hospital. This actually incurs the complete hospitalization bills, may it be any report related bill, may it be medicines bill, may what be the situation. During medical emergency, the supporter, the financial backing is provided by health insurance, and definitely henceforth it's a must for all of you because any medical emergency never comes with an invitation, right? It's always all of a sudden, and during that moment, to keep ourselves calm, composed, at least from financial standpoint, and not struggle from a financial criteria, we should have the health insurance always with us. Let's understand how this will help us in tax exemption. So under section 80D, we'll get a tax exemption for the premium that we'll pay for medical insurance. So the limits are as below. If we take it for self and family, the exemption is 25,000. This includes health checkup as well, annual health checkup. If we take it for self and family means you, your spouse, and your children. So that is self and family. In case you take it for parents as well, so it will be 25 plus 25. In case you take it for yourself, your family, and your parents fall into the category of senior citizen, then this will be 25 plus 30,000. And in case you yourself are senior citizen and even your parents fall into that category, then it will be 30,000 plus 30,000. A total of 60,000 will be allowed as a deduction for the financial year from your taxable income. Let's understand the importance of health insurance. So importance, definitely the first and foremost is unforeseen medical emergencies. Medical emergencies, as even I told earlier, they never come with a invitation or they'll never knock your door before coming, right? They always occur all of a sudden and we have to be cautious and prepared for this. The next one is definitely medical costs is it's skyrocketing. Any hospital you choose, the bed charges, the OT charges, the ICU charges, the different reports, all of they are just skyrocketing. And during this COVID phase, definitely everyone would have understood that health insurance should be there for each and every family member you have. The last one is to safeguard your family. Definitely during the time of a medical crisis, you will not look at the family's uh, financial condition, right? You will have to first look at the financial family's comfort and family's safety, and you will try to admit them in the best hospital, in the best facility should be provided to them. So during that phase, you should be financially strong, and that can only be provided with the health insurance that you have in hand. And henceforth, it provides a safeguard to your family and a financial backing. Let's see what are the points to be considered before buying one health insurance. So definitely you should go through what the type of plan you are taking, whether it's an individual health insurance, whether it's a family health insurance, whether it's for senior citizens, and whether it includes critical illness or not. Next important point is cashless coverage. Many a times I get comments from people that this policy is providing this company, suppose HDFC Life or suppose ICICI Pru Life, these companies, life insurance companies are actually providing good cashless coverage. They have a greater count. But that count actually does not matter to you if the cashless coverage is not there in your area. So the maximum cashless coverage should be there in your area in the hospitals nearby you, because you are not going to travel that long and then take the cashless in the hospitals they are providing. It's better to have it in your nearby area. The next important thing is waiting period. So generally a 30-90 day waiting period, 30 to 90 days period is there from the start of policy. So let me just give you a quick walkthrough what waiting period is. So from the start of policy till this period, in case any of the medical emergency occurs, or in case any of the expense, medical expense or hospitalization expense occurs during this period, then company will not bear that expense. They assume that this was hidden from the insured company, assurer, and that's why they keep this period. But definitely we should not look at the premium while taking it. Okay, many a times lower premiums are offered by companies and they take higher waiting period. Suppose say 6 months or a year, then definitely that policy is of no use, right? In case you are paying a lower premium and God forbid if something happens to you in that period, in that waiting period, then definitely taking the policy is of no use. So do have a watch on what waiting period the company that you are opting for is providing you. Next is the final thing. What quick action you need to take? This is the discussion we have now. So in case you don't own a health insurance, go buy it right away. And definitely you should buy this before 31st December because the policy companies are going to raise their premiums. As even told you in my previous video of life insurance, that the companies have suffered great payouts, great cash outflows when it was COVID times, and they are now trying to raise their premiums to cover that out. So definitely, as per our sources, we have heard, and it's even there out in the news everywhere that premiums will rise from January 2022. So it's better to buy it right away before you jump to next financial year. So that's it for this video. We'll be out with a new video tomorrow. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Thanks. Bye bye.